Hi, my name is Maxwell Nyanzu, and I'll be presenting the selection of team members for the Southwest Marketing for the release of a new Boeing 747 to drive the sale of the marketing company. Southwest Transit team is looking for a marketing team that will fulfill the expectation for developing a marketing strategy that has to be completed in a very short amount of time under demanding conditions to re-establish market dominance and to drive up the sale of the company. The final candidate that was selected for this team are Natalie, Elizabeth, Susan, and Caitlin. Natalie is selected on the strength basis of excellent communicator, which makes it easy for her to win people to her point. Charismatic and a natural leader, that makes her a good asset and a team leader to be selected to lead a team. A team worker, she works well on teams and is great for the team. Real negotiator. Elizabeth is selected on a strength basis that has to be as a positive attitude to work. She pays attention to details. Elizabeth's strength lies in problem solving. She is open-minded and a team player. She is courteous about maintaining quality work. Susan has excellent team player, positive attitude, energetic and creative, and she's a go-getter. Kaylin works well under pressure and produces impeccable work. Her standards strive for perfection. She is detail-oriented and believes in quality of work. The team member that was difficult to come to a consensus about was Susan. Selecting Susan was a tough decision. She has good qualities but lacks focus at times and overlook important details on tasks, which might not be good for teamwork. Susan was still selected because her strength did outweigh her weaknesses. Susan is a motivator, means that she's able to motivate people among her team. She's conflict avoider, means that whenever there's a conflict coming, Susan will find ways to make sure that that conflict is avoided. And her strength definitely outweighs her weaknesses. And that is the basis for which Susan was selected to the team. The selection of the team is based on each team member's strength and weakness. The strength of the team relies on they being motivated when challenged. We have a lot of the team members that are problem solvers. We have some of them that are charismatic and natural leaders. It means that when they're given the leadership position, they're going to be able to uphold and pull every team member to make sure that whatever decision they come into conclusion with, they will be able to follow and then execute team ideas. Natural leaders, team players, and they produce quality work and impeccable work as strength of the team. Vis-a-vis the weakness of the team, some of them have negative attitude and they lack focus, overlook important details, non-dynamic to new skills, no communication during conflict, and then they rush to meeting deadlines. But with all this, looking at the positive and negative of strength and weakness, as we said, the team has a positive attitude to their strength versus their weakness. Management believes in the team because of the positivity of the team's potential, looking at the team's strength to their weaknesses. Team members are detail-oriented and produces quality work. All team members are motivated by challenges which will enable them to work under demanding conditions. All team members have been with the company for more than a year, which shows their loyalty to the company and the marketing campaign. Team members possess good personalities and work well together during the process of getting the project completed. Relying on this strength, management believes the team will be able to maximize sales and also improves the organization market dominance and makes them very competitive in the market space. The best strategy for effectively motivating the team is by management using the acquired needs theory, which is a motivation theory that focuses on individual acquiring the three types of needs as a result of life experiences. These needs are needs for achievement, needs for affiliation, and needs for power, which serves as a tenet for the four team members selected. Natalia hopes to own her own business some days. Elizabeth prefers to be treated as a peer rather than a subordinate. Kaylin is driven and seeks promotion. Susan feels accomplished when she knows she did something to improve the lives of others. All the team members possess a combination of these needs. Strategies for effective conflict management. Conflict is inherently not a bad thing. When handled properly, it can lead to increased communication. It can lead to the surfacing of previous hidden rationale or previous unconsidered options, and sometimes it can also lead to formation of more effective group decisions, all of which can pave the way for transformation. Strategies to manage conflict are effective communication, exhibit apathy, facilitate dialogue, hear everyone out, lead when necessary, maintain objectivity, and strive for creative compromise. Leadership is the ability to set extraordinary achievement from ordinary people. The two types of leadership strategies or styles are servant leadership, which focuses on the people that are directly below them rather than the company as a whole. Tate 2020. Transformational leadership creates meaningful tasks, high standards, and optimism for employees. Brown et al. 2020. Southwest Transit team members will be centered on conscious capitalism with the main focus on stakeholders orientation. As a conscious business, Southwest Transit members will promote vitality, stability, and stronger relationships of internal stakeholders, customers, vendors, and investors. Stakeholder orientation defines the extent to which Southwest Transit management focuses attention on and integrate the interests of multiple stakeholders in its decision making. Gamashi et al. 2020, Harrison et al. 2010, Jones et al. 2018. Southwest Transit will create value that would extend help create job security and a sense of achievement for the company's success. Customers and families will have affordable and convenient planes. It will create quality of life within the community by increasing revenue, sustainability, and bring community together. It will increase sales to create consistency and favorable returns for investors. It will build stronger relationships and improve customer service with vendors. Stakeholders' value will create optimism level of return for stakeholders of the organization. Southwest Transit marketing team selection shows potential based on each member's skills and abilities. The team selection will meet Southwest Transit demand that will keep customers loyal and help regain marketing dominance. The end of my presentation. Thank you.